guys and girls. Well, Happy New Year 2021. It has to be better than 2020. I'm thinking positive and going into the new year with some new plans and goals, and I hope that you'll be a part of my channel as we look at more color comparisons, wig reviews, how-to videos, and much, much more. But let's get to the winners of the Simply Stylin giveaway. We have two winners. So our first winner is Tracy Coverdale of Texas. So congratulations, Tracy. I will leave a message or comment to you under your comment with my email address so that you can contact me. I can get your shipping address and ship you out a bottle of the Simply Stylin Light Silk Spray. Our second winner is Dana of Germany. This is my first international winner, so I'm so excited. Congratulations to our first international winner. And Laura, same thing. I'm going to comment under your comment under this video. I'll give you my email address. I'll get your shipping address and we'll talk about the shipping and get it on its way. Well, thank you so much to everyone that participated. Stay tuned as we will have more fun giveaways in 2021. I'm wishing all of you health, happiness, and prosperity in the new year. Take care.